Hello dear learners, I am Prabha Biju Chako. We are learning web designing and this is 4th module. In the previous modules, we have sufficiently learned about what is web designing and introduction to HTML. From this module onwards, we will be working with tags and attributes, how tags and attributes are implemented to design and develop a web page or a website. In this module, we will be covering body tag and its attribute, giving comments in HTML, heading tags, center tag, line break, paragraph tag and horizontal tag. So let's begin. Body tag and its attribute. As you all know that body is the second major part of any web document or HTML document. So as you can see here, this is the syntax of body tag. In the opening tag, all the attributes are defined. As you can see here, there are 6 attributes: text, bgcolor, background, link, a link and v link. And then between the opening body tag and closing body tag comes the web page content. So here the first attribute is text. Text specifies the color of the text, and bgcolor is to specify the color of the background. And if you want background as an image, you can also set an image with the help of background attribute. The other 3 attributes are related to link. You must have noticed when you search for something in internet, it displays a list of links. It displays with some color, and when you click it, it changes its color, and when you visit the link, it again changes its color. So for changing the colors, we have 3 different attributes, that is link. Link is for unvisited link, a link is for active link and v link is for visited link. So before I give the demonstration of body tag, I would also like to discuss about how to give comments in HTML. As you may be knowing that comments are added to provide extra information which helps in understanding the source code. HTML comments are visible to anyone that views the page source code but are not visible when a browser renders the HTML document. So the comments in HTML can be given in 3 different manners. One is in single line comment, second is multi-line comment and third one using comment tag. Single line comment and multi-line comment can be enclosed within the angular bracket followed by exclamatory mark, whereas the third method is using comment, which is dependent tag. As you can see here, the comment has to be enclosed within the comment tag. Here is the example that shows the body tag along with text and bgcolor attribute and also the single line comment. Now we will see this using Notepad, how to design a web page. Now the same program I have typed here in Notepad. As you can see here, the entire basic structure is there: HTML, head, title. Then in body we have taken 2 attributes, that is text. Text color has been set as blue and bgcolor has been set as pink, and I have given one text here, that is welcome to HTML coding, and I have also given a comment, that is you can add more body content. This is a comment. As you can see, it is enclosed within the angular bracket followed by exclamatory mark. So we are going to see the output now. We are going to find that the text will be printed or displayed in blue color and background color will be pink. So I will minimize this and we will see the output. You see here, background is pink color and the text color welcome to HTML coding is in blue, and you will not find the comment given in the source code. Moving on to the next tag, that is heading tags. Any document starts with a heading or subheading with different sizes, and we often skim a page by its headings. So, importance of headings in internet is, like, search engines use headings for indexing the structure and content of a web page. Headings are also used for highlighting important topics. They also provide valuable information and tell us about the structure of the document. So, in HTML there are 6 types of heading tags, and the 6 heading elements are from H1 to H6, wherein H1 has the highest font size and H6 has the smallest font size. While displaying any heading, the browser adds one line before and one line after that heading. So, as you can see, there are like following headings having default fixed size. H1 has 32 point, H2 26 points, H3 22 points, H4 20 points, H5 13 point and H6 11 point. Now, let us see the next example using headings. As you can see here, I have used all the 6 tags and the content is given the name of the college here. Now, let us see the example, see the output. So, this is the output of practice 1. As you see, every heading is reducing. H6 is the smallest one, H1 is the biggest one, as I told you, and when it displays, browser by itself gives one line before and one line after the heading. Next tag is center tag. Center tag is independent tag. In between the center tag, whatever text or table or image we keep, it will be centralized. It will be displayed on the center of the page. Now, let us see the example of center tag, how it changes the previous program. So, in the previous practice 1 program, I am going to add center here and I press Ctrl S to save the file, minimize this and see the output, and now you will find that all the headings have come in the center. So, that is the use of center tag. Center tag, as I told you, you can, whatever element you want to bring in the center of the page, you have to put them inside the center tag. Next tag is line break tag. For having a break in the line or to produce a carriage return, we make use of BR tag. BR tag is independent tag. Independent tag, as we learned earlier, it does not require closing tag. So, whenever you want to break a line, you want to display a line in from the new line, you can go for BR tag. So, with one BR tag, there will be one line space. Now, let us see the same example I have pasted here in practice 2. Here you can see the set of text has been used. The first one is without line break and the second one is with the line break. So, wherever you want space, one line space, you have to give BR tag. So, you can see here there is no closing tags. In the first one I have not used BR tags, but in the second set of text I have used, after the end of each line I have used BR tags. Now, let me see the result of this program. As you can see here, the first set, which was without BR tag, is coming in single line. Then it is giving 2 line space here because I used 2 BRs, and then after that I have used BR after each line. So, it is printing in the separate lines. I will take back to the coding again. The first part is not having BR, the second part is having BR tag. Here I have used 2 BRs, so it was giving 2 line space. So, that was BR tag. Next we come to paragraph tag. The paragraph tags are used to define a block of text as a paragraph. When the paragraph tags surround a block of text, the browser automatically adds white space before and after the paragraph. P tag is a container tag or a dependent tag, as you see here in the syntax. P tag, opening P tag, it has one attribute, that is align, and it can have 4 different values: left, right, center and justify. Then the content of a paragraph can be displayed between the opening and closing tag. So, this is the example of paragraph tag. As you can see here, I have used all the 4 values using align attribute to 4 different paragraphs. Next is about HR tag. HR tag is used to give horizontal line across the page or a thematic break in a HTML page to divide or separate document sections. As you see here in syntax of HR tag, it has 4 attributes: size, width, align and no shade. Size is the attribute to indicate the height of the horizontal line. Default value of size is 2 pixels. Width is to decide the width of a line, and the default value is 100%. It has align attribute. The line can be aligned in left, right or center, and the 4th attribute is no shade. No shade indicates solid black bar, and when it is omitted, it gives a 3D appearance to the line. Now, this is the example of HR tag. As you can see here, I have used 3 headings: head 1, head 2, head 3, and below the 3rd heading I have used plain HR. Then the second HR is along with the attribute. The 3rd HR is with the attributes size, width and align, and we can also use no shade attribute. Now, let us see the example. I have pasted the same example here in practice 3. As you can see here, inside body there are 3 headings, and I have used plain HR tag here. Then the second HR tag using attributes, that is size, I have kept 15, width I have taken 50%, and align is given the value center, and I have made use of no shade here. And the 3rd HR tag I have excluded the no shade attribute here. Now, let us see the example. So, this is the output of that web document. These are the 3 headings I had given. Then the plain HR tag. So, by default it is having the size, height is 2 pixels and width is 100%. The second HR tag was used along with the attribute. Size was 15 pixels, width I had given 50%, and I had aligned it to center, and no shade was given. As I explained you that no shade gives the solid black bar. And the 3rd HR tag I had used without using no shade. So, it is giving you 3D appearance. So, this was the example of HR tag, which is independent tag. So, that is all for this module.